We are on holiday. We are at the sea.
We are relaxing. We are sitting in our deck chairs.
Hi, this is Monkey English for School. My name is Lucas.
Hi, I am Lucas as well, and we are teachers.
This is a sea.
Let's look at the sea. This is a sea.
Salty water.
These are waves.
Lucas is swimming in the sea. We are jumping over the stones. They are catching the fish.
They are fishermen. And this is a fishing rod.
Seagull.
You can use these things on the beach.
These are slippers. This is a towel. These are sunglasses.
We are sunbathing. But we must cream the skin with the sunscreen. These are deck chairs. We are sitting in the deck chairs.
This is a swim ring. Do you need a swim ring? Huh? Do you need a swim ring?
Yes, I do. I need a swim ring. I can't swim.
This is a beach blanket. A beach blanket.
And this is a beach umbrella. These are fins. Fins. And this is a snorkel. Oh.
And some toys for children. This is a bucket.
This is a shovel.
Ah! I don't like sand.
Sorry.
This is sand.
This is a water pistol.
And this is a ball. This is a beach.
People are bathing. I am not a good swimmer. I need a swim ring, and I am bathing in my kids' pool.
I am sailing on my air mattress. I am a good swimmer. This is a lifeguard.
He is guarding the swimmers. And this is a whistle. Thank you very much. There is a shipwreck near that island. Let's go there.
And there is a fish. There is a diver. Lucas is diving. Lucas is near the shipwreck. These are bubbles.
Signori, per quanto riguarda
I'm having a shower.
c'erano freccette e ping-pong. Abbiamo freccette.
It's fresh water, not salty.
C'erano freccette e ping-pong.
We are going to hire sea kayaks.
Let's go. Show me the kayaks, young sailor.
This is a kayak for one person.
A single kayak, right?
Right, single kayak. And this is double kayak. Stop! You must take off the shoes.
Come on, get in the kayak. Lucas, your watch.
It's waterproof.
Okay, let's go. Lucas is paddling.
And paddling. This is a boat. We are going to the island.
Are you okay? Get back in the boat. Ah, quickly. Get back in the boat. Your paddle.
Thank you. Oh, my sandwich.
Your sandwich is wet.
Yeah, no problem.
What are you doing?
I can feed the fish.
This is a port. And there is a ship. A ship is coming. is an island. We are sailing.
Imagine and repeat.
An air mattress. A kid pool. A water pistol. A beach umbrella. A bucket. A shovel. A ball. Fence. A swim ring. A sunscreen. A deck chair. A beach blanket. A towel. A snorkel. Sunglasses. Beach. And sea. Salty water. Waves. An island. A seagull. Slippers. Sand. A fish. Bubbles. Fresh water. Boat. A ship. And a port. La-di-da.